Hi ma'am, hi everyone. Ito po ang presentation ko po sa Turbo C++. And System Introduction. Our project is a C++ based system designed to automate and organize data process using a simple menu drive interface. The system help user efficient management, record performance, translation, and generate output without manual paperwork. It was developed using standard C++ concept such as array, function, condition, statement, loop, file handling, optional, menu-driven program structure. The goal of the system is provide a fast, accurate, and user-friendly solution for handling information digitally. Demo of each module. During the demo and demonstration, the system will show the following module. Main menu module. Display all available options. Allow the user to choose different operations. Number 3. Control program navigation. And the add record module 1. Allow the user to input new data. Store information in array. 3. Validate basic input. Letter C. View record module. Display or store data in organizing format. 2. Show record in table or list from. Letter D. Update record module 1. Search for and access record. 2. Allow modification of select field. Letter E. Delete record module. Remove a select record. 2. Rearrange array element to avoid empty caps. F. Exit module 1. Safely terminate the program. 2. Display a closing message. Code walk through explanation. Program structure 1. Handler files. Hashtag include iOS stream. Hashtag include conyo age. Hashtag include string age. Using namespace std. 2. Global variable. Use to storage array and counter for record. 3. Main function. Display the menu. Use a loop to keep the program running. Call different function based on your usage. 4. Function. Each module is written as separate function. Add record, view record, update record, delete record, and 5. Control flow. Switch statement for menu selection. Will loop for continuous operation. 6. Arrays. Used to store record since struct class are not allowed. If follow your project rules. Conclusion. In conclusion, this C++ systems successful demonstrate how program can be used to solve. Real world problem through automation. The system reduce manual work, improve data accuracy, it easy to use, is efficient and organized. This project help use improve our understand of C++ system, syntax and logic. Function implementation, array management, menu-driven program design. Overall, the project addresses objectives and serve as strong foundation for more advanced system in the future.